So this is how the laundry slash storage room looks currently. As you can see, the washer and the dryer are on two separate sides, so it is kind of small in here. So on the side with the washer is where I have like all the cleaning and laundry stuff, and then on this side with the dryer, as you can see, it's kind of like all of the storage stuff. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna be redoing this side just to make it look a little bit more organized, and then also to kind of give us like some extra space, just because I mean it's not too much I can do, but I did want to kind of have it a little bit more organized on this side, and then this side will probably stay the same. I'm actually going to insert a clip of what it looked like yesterday. Like I had to get rid of a lot of boxes because it was like super cluttered, so I went ahead and got these different jars that I'm going to use to organize like the pots and stuff, and this is just some extra cleaning supplies. And then I also have this laundry basket, and then I have these little baskets as well, and then oops, and then these two also. Thought these were so cute, and they say like organized, so I just got a big one and a smaller one. I'll probably put like the different sprays and stuff in here. So I just got, I think it's like 4 of these, and I got these from I think Marshall's. Alright guys, so I ended up moving all the jars to one side and then putting the bins on the other end. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of show you all what I did. So for the jars, as you can see, I filled those up with the different detergent pods, and then this one right here, I put the fabric softener beads, and I just added a cute little scoop, and then at the end it's just some more fabric softeners, just the liquid kind, and then I got a set of those cute little scoops from the dollar store. And then on this side is just all of the wipes and disinfecting sprays. So for this bin, as you can see, it's just a bunch of different Clorox wipes, literally like all wipes. And then in this one is just different Lysol sprays, soap, hand sanitizer. So yeah, these two are more so like the disinfecting bins. So yeah, this is how the bottom shelf looks. And on the top shelf, I just have the 2 organized bins, some more cleaning supplies, and then some extra paper towel. So I used the smaller organized bin just for like more wipes, hand sanitizer, box of masks, so just like more sanitizing items. And then in this one, I just have like the different fabric softeners, and then like the broom, like the cloth replacements. I don't even know what they're called, but it's just 2 boxes of those. And then here is just more cleaning supplies like the Lysol and Clorox sprays, Murphy oil, Windex, just things like that. So those fit in there perfectly. And then just some leftover paper towel. So yeah guys, I love how this turned out. The bins were like the perfect size for the supplies that we had. I think this turned out perfect, especially with the size that I'm working with. And I just put like a dirty clothes basket right there, kind of like right near the washer. And with this side, I basically just kept it the same because for the most part these are boxes that we need. And then over here I just put like some miscellaneous items, and then like the tool bag, but yeah, like the TV boxes and stuff I like to keep for like when we move. So yeah guys, this is the final look. So it's pretty much like a mini makeover, but I hope this was helpful for anyone who may also have like a smaller laundry area. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.